It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Disney Loungefly backpack. You guys, I love this backpack, mainly because the theme of this backpack is ears. It is a fully functional backpack with all the zipper compartments, but you might notice it has one extra zipper compartment that most Loungefly backpacks do not have. This is where that special feature comes in. So I don't have a pair of ears to demonstrate it, but what you can do is actually put your ears in here and secure them underneath these little button straps. You put your ears in there, and since it has two zippers on both sides, you can zip them up just about that high, and the actual ears will stand out on this backpack, giving your backpack actual ears. Now, another thing I like about this backpack is it actually has a side pocket, and this is an iPhone XS Max. So if you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's gonna fit on that side as well. That's a nice little feature to keep your phone handy if you want it to be easily accessible. Now, another thing I like about this bag is definitely going to be the main compartment. Now, let me go ahead and show you what's inside. You guys, I am ready for a day at Disney. I got tons of stuff. I got an energy drink, got sunscreen, sunglasses, all kinds of good stuff, sanitizer and SPF. There is, oh, and another chapstick. There's a ton of room in here. Let me show you it on. Super cute. Because the color is so neutral, it really does go with anything, you guys. I love this backpack. I think you will too. That's my point of view.